With respect to the digitalization, so we are innovating a lot of engineering practices, how it can be add value to our business nature. We are trying to maximize the output with a lesser impact to the Mother Earth and giving back to that.
Government has leading the way. They are trying to show how the automation can happen in their own way.
The environmental imperatives, the competitiveness imperatives, etc., all now are an important factors which should kind of be factored into by decision makers. The outcome of this summit is the kind of the roadmap. It's more of a platform where those who may have been hesitant about undertaking their digitalization and automation journey to take this up and to be cognizant of certain issues while taking up their digitization and automation journeys. And also, I think examples also give us confidence to the decision makers that this is not merely a cost item, but this is self-paying. I mean, it is not that you have made investments and it's not leading to improvement in your costs and efficiencies, but that it is self-paying is an important thing. And the environmental imperatives, the competitiveness imperatives, etc., all now are an important factors which should kind of be factored into by decision makers while undertaking these initiatives. So I think confidence, the examples, the vendors that are there in today's exhibition and the kind of people who are there participating, interactions with them will provide confidence to the people in this sector that this is something worthwhile and that they should undertake.
If you see the recent history, government and industry both are working almost on the same pace. Most of the transit pass or the permissions of dispatch from the mine is now with the system, we call it I3MS, where it is almost automated. And in fact, the inspections of the government officials are also not known. So this is also automated, I can say. So government has leading the way. They are trying to show how the automation can happen in their own way. And industry is also primarily for two reasons. One is for the safety and second is for the improving the efficiency. These are the two prime reasons, but then there are other areas also where the government as well as the industry, they are working, like the area which is related to ESG. So majority of the work has also been done on how we can reduce the water consumption from the mine to the plant and how we can calculate the GHG emissions and what are the levers for improving that also. So basically we are looking for the enablers, and there is a famous shlok also, amantaram aksharam nasti nasti moolam anaushadham yogya purusha nasti yojaka tatra dullabha. So there is no letter from where a mantra cannot start. There is no plant which doesn't have a medicinal value. There is no person who is useless. What we lack is the enabler. And I feel technology is the biggest enabler, right from improving the safety, improving the efficiency, taking the ESG journey along, and also taking the community on the part of how we can conserve and preserve the local fauna and flora.
Before we get into the digitalization, we want to add the innovation concept. Okay, so innovation side, we are working on the sustainable nature, how the company can able to withstand with mining and also the steel industry, what we are into the business area. Okay, so with respect to the digitalization, so we are innovating a lot of engineering practices, how it can be add value to our business nature, and also we are adding the value of AI and also the use of computer vision and the use of data to make into the bringing the insights, and also how we can able to preserve our minerals and also optimize the resources. So waste to wealth, this kind of technologies we are adopting in our organization, and with the help of engineering technology innovation, we are bringing the green mining concept into our organization by reducing the CO2 reduction.
And so the companies the mining companies are doing lots of pollution. How your company is handling this issue?
See, actually, by nature of the mining, it is people think it is a degradable activity for the environment. But even though that has a very good contribution to the GDP for the industrial growth, without mining, without steel or without any mineral, we cannot able to prospect to the nation. But while doing that activity, so we are taking care of our mother nature. We are trying to bring back by reducing our carbon fuel emission, by converting everything into the EV vehicle, and also wherever EV is not possible, we are converting to the electrical mode from the fossil fuel, and also by increasing the recovery of the minerals. So we are trying to maximize the output with a lesser impact to the mother earth and giving back to that. And also we are driving a very big environmental plantations drive, so that whatever we mined out, we are trying to give back in other area to equivalent or double the capacity.